Hello guys, it's Mokube here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to delete your WhatsApp channel. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do that once you log into your WhatsApp account, you simply click on what? Updates. After which you simply choose the channel in which you want to delete. This one, Elect TV. Once you're there, you click on the profile. After which you scroll down, you are going to see delete channel. You click on it. Once you get there, this channel will be permanently deleted and your followers can still see your activities. So after that, you click on what? Delete. After that, you simply need to insert your telephone number to confirm that you want to delete your channel. So I'll insert my telephone number. After that, I'll click on what? Delete. So guys, we just successfully deleted that WhatsApp channel. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.